how to change signature in Outlook. Good morning, Jim Hall from whoisjimhall.com. Short video today about how to change signature in Outlook. And there's several reasons to do this. Maybe you have a couple of different signatures. Maybe your signature that is your normal signature that opens up whenever you open an email, maybe that's not the one that you want to send out. Maybe you want to send a message, the same message to repeated people, but you don't want it to just be the pop-up message into your email, right? So that's a couple of reasons we might need to know how to change signature in Outlook, and so we'll get started with that right now. So you can come in here and go to New Mail, and then if you click on signature, you can get right in here to signatures, and then you can create a new one. So you can come in here to New and say welcome, right? So if you're going to send a welcome to your new people, then you're going to get a space down here, and you can say welcome to our new team. And you can use this even for like employees, and then give some information in here. Make sure to watch this video to see all the quick start videos, all the quick start steps, right? Welcome to the team, Jim and Kristi Hall. And now you can just save this, you can okay, and now it's in there, right? So when you reply to someone or you start a new email with someone that has joined your team, instead of having to retype a whole email, all you have to do is go to signature and go to welcome, and it will pop right in there. And then you can edit over the top of it if you want to add a name or anything like that, like if you wanted to throw a name right in here, right? Or, like you saw, you can also have an always, like talk soon, just a simple one, okay? And then if you wanted to have this added to every email, like if you had your normal signature that you want to add to every email, then you can come up here into options. Down here is options, and then on mail, and then over here you have signatures. Oh, and I didn't realize it was the same one there. So then you can take this and you can say choose default, new messages always, and then forwards and replies you can set to always or welcome or none. So a lot of people don't put their signature on a reply or a forward because they just sign it with their name, or maybe they don't even sign it, So I'm going to change this one to welcome just so that you can see it a little bit better. And then of course you can change your email accounts, and so you can have different ones for each email account if you have more than one email account in here. And then, of course, too, you could set up personal stationery, sample text, you can change the backgrounds, all of that kind of stuff. And you can do a lot of that kind of stuff down here in this as well. You can put links and all kinds of stuff down here. If you copy and paste some stuff in here, you can adjust it around pretty well. Change your colors. There's colors and alignment and all that stuff. So I'm going to change that like that. You'll see this here, and then we'll come here to new email, and look, all I got to do now is open a new email, and my email is there, and I just put in a person's name, and that could be your welcome email for all the new people that are coming into your business, MLM, company, your team, your employees, whatever. Or if you don't like that, all you got to do is delete that real quick, and then you can swap to another one. And as far as I know, you can have as many of these as you want, just name them accordingly, and that works out just fine. Now, if you don't want to have to try to find it, like a lot of people kind of forget where it's at, because it only shows inside of a new email. Or you can come in here to options, and you can go down to quick access toolbar, right? And then in here, change this to all commands, and then scroll down to signature. Now this is really cool because you can put any of these right up here so that they're always right on the top, okay? So what you can do here is you can move this up to signature, and then you grab this one and add it, and that's going to be that right there, okay? So, and then of course push OK instead of cancel. But I've already added it. This is how I use mine. And then that pops it up anytime you want. So if you need to make a change or delete or rename whatever, you can come in here this way and save a few steps and then set it up so that the next time you use it, it's down there below. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, hit the button, hit the like down below and subscribe to this channel for further information about YouTube, about GetResponse, autoresponders, working from home. I do an assortment of techie kind of stuff and an assortment of mindset. So I look forward to seeing you on the channel, and I'll talk soon.